We're going to open up our arms, we're going to open up the door, and then we open up the heart. Well, I don't think for pleasure, it's just not hard to do. My thinking is a measure of how much I need a clue. I'm still flying blind, hoping I might find a way to stop my thinking and open up my mind. Well, I don't see too clearly, I wish you'd show me how. Seeing is believing, I believe I need it now. It comes as no surprise, I can't analyze my usual refusal to open up my eyes. Well, my feelings hurt me plenty, not feeling hurts me more. Feelings got me kneeling down and wounded to the core. Not feeling's got its charms, but you find out who it harms when your lover soon discovers you can't open up your arms. All right, Paul. Being in a prison, you lock yourself inside. A limited perspective, even with eyes open wide. But I can't walk no more through scenes I've seen before. Why don't you come to me and bring the key and open up the door? All right, guys. And it's a puzzle that there is no doubt. Can't do nothing with you, you sure can't do without. Can't learn your part, you won't know where to start till you quit all your questions and open up your heart. Well, one small suggestion, quit your questions, just open up your heart.